When a client has complaints after cleaning, act quickly and with clear steps to restore confidence. Start by listening carefully and documenting every concern the client raises, using their words where possible to avoid misinterpretation. Next, schedule an in-person inspection as soon as practical to verify the issues. Bring your standard cleaning checklist and any relevant materials so you can compare what was expected to what was delivered. If the problem is surface level soiling or mist areas, perform a targeted re-cleaning on the spot using the same or improved technique and products, and explain what you will do while you work so the client sees action. For deeper or recurring issues such as staining or odor, outline a remediation plan with a realistic timeline and, where appropriate, suggest specialized treatments like enzymatic cleaners for organic odors or pH-balanced solutions for sensitive surfaces. Keep a clear written record of the complaint, findings, and corrective steps taken, and follow up within a set period to confirm the client is satisfied. Finally, use the incident to update your standard operating procedures and staff training to prevent recurrence, and communicate those changes to the client to rebuild trust. Common mistakes start with dismissing the client or arguing about perception, which only escalates dissatisfaction. Instead, acknowledge their experience, state that you will investigate, and describe the specific next steps. Another frequent issue is failing to document the complaint and actions taken, which undermines accountability. Solve this by keeping a standardized complaint log with dates, photographs, and signatures when possible. A third problem is offering vague promises without timelines, which leaves clients anxious. Avoid that by giving clear, realistic timeframes and confirming them in writing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and post cleaning or repair experiences so others can learn from real cases. We connect contractors with work leads and host an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, questions, and practical solutions.